Hello everyone. Advanced Research Search module in Odoo is a powerful tool that significantly enhances the searching capability within a system. Now, after installing this module, let's get into and settings. Under the user, we need to enable an access rights for the user to get an reference search in each and every modules. Now we need to enable this reference search for our users. After enabling this, let's get into the general settings. In the general settings, we have another option to limit a data search. So here you can see a data search limit. I added a limit to 2. Now, once everything is done, let's get into and models. So to get into a model and set up which fields needs to be shown in which model, we need to get into the settings. Under the technical, we can see a menu named model. So here it is. So in the model, we can see it will be a sales order. So it will be sale.order. Now let's search for a sale.order over here. So once we have searched, you can get a result. In this, let's get into any one of the field. Like for example, let's get the total. Okay, now I'm adding the same into the reference search. Where you can see the reference search, we need to enable this. So let's save this one. Now let's get into the quotation and let's refresh the page where you can see a reference search in each and every model. So not only here, in the products you can see the same. Okay, and also in the and also in the configuration sales team you can see the same. In every part, in each and every part you can see the same, and also for each and every model you can define and reference search. Just now for your reference, I define and reference search for a sales.order menu. Okay, so now let's search by using this. Now I'll add a reference search. Okay, order reference. Now in this, just I'm adding 0007. Again, I need to search for 006 also. Now let it be. Now let's search it. Now you will get a result. In case if I try to search 0007, 0006 as well as 0004. Okay, if I try to search, it will show you a pop-up like alert validation, like we have set up the limit to 2 from the configuration part. So if you need to make a change, you can make a change over there. By using this search, we can search for multiple datas which we have. Now, like the same way, we can enable foreign other models too. To account dot move. So here it's an account dot move where we can add and fields. So for example, let's add a field name, company ID. Okay, so here in this, let's enable the reference search. Let's save this one and then the models too. Now let me get into invoicing here. Let's refresh. Over here we can see a reference search. While selecting the fields, you can see the date, also the company. So now let's select your company. Once we have click on the search option, so you can see the one which we have created. So this is how we can add in the invoicing. Like the same way we can add for other models too, like the CRM and purchase sales. In each and every models which we have, we can add in reference search over there for each and every field wise. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.